I bought more stuff. Okay. First to look. It's so pretty. Ooh. Wait, why do I have two? I didn't order two. Did I order two? So I was sent two, but I have to double check to make sure I didn't order two. But I ordered one. So this is the Spirit Board by Celina, Spooky Boo, and I am so excited about this. It's beautiful. Ooh. And there is everything. I'm so excited. Here is the ectoplasm gloss. This looks amazing. Oh, it really does smell like candy apples. Oh. The ICU eyeliner. Ooh, that looks like a good tip. All-Seeing Oracle. Hello, I see you. Look at that mirror. Oh my god, the packaging is just beautiful. And the palette. Whoa, look at these colors. My lights, they're beautiful. Let's see. Oh, the stamps are really pretty too. I didn't see this one, but it's a little moon. Thanks for watching.